Hey guys, welcome back. This 31 Bugatti Royale Victoria kit I've had on the shelf for probably a year. It's still in its plastic. It's a Lindberg kit, Lindberg Classic Replica Series. It's got some stuff. I want to build this thing. But I got to looking, and when you go to scale mate, so it's what's odd to me. It says it's 1/24 scale. And that kind of throws up some red flags, especially when it's like a Lindberg kit or something. Now, if it was monogram, no problem. They were all 1/24 scale. But this thing, however, if I can get to scale mates really fast. So it shows the Lindberg 1966 new tool of this. So it says Lindberg new tool, right? And then the timeline goes across. 1973 is a new box. 1986, this is the one I have. And then the 2007, we saw a lot of those like at Ollie's and places like that. But the 1986 is the one that I have. Now here's the thing. If you'll look, see this line right here, 83, goes down. See, it goes down to Revell. Okay, I could understand. Maybe they shared the molds and everything. But then if you look right here, there's no line. But that one, dang, it doesn't want to focus on that. Maybe I can make it bigger. There we go. That one, Gunzi Sanyo. Now Gunzi would have been 1/24 scale. But it didn't start there. It said 1966 that it started as a Lindberg kit. Well, this, if you'll notice the box art here, it's the exact same box art. I mean, identical. It's the same car. It's the same picture. It's got the same, see that picture of the engine? Where did it go? No, it's got, oh, it's on the front. So, that picture right there of the engine is right there. That picture of the engine. So I'm going to open it up, see if there's any evidence. You know, a lot of times they'll have it engraved or it'll be in the plastic. Gunzi, I know where to look for Gunzi Sanyo. Little the tabs on the trees. A lot of times we'll say Gunzi, but I'm not sure. Maybe this is not really 1/24 scale. Maybe it's 1/25. Sometimes they just misprinted or something like that. But so let's get it opened and see what about it. Oh, I forgot to show you one thing. Toys R Us, $7.99. So this was 1980. Actually, I think this box says 87 right there. 1987 Lindberg Hobbies. But it showed this came out in 86. But yeah, there's your tag. Toys R Us, been on there a long time. Kit number 6601-03. Alright, anyway. Let's get it open. And see if we can find any evidence of who made this thing. I find this stuff fascinating. How other companies used shared molds. It's kind of funny because you're competition, but you're going to let your competition use the same molds that you have. It's kind of bizarre to me, but anyway, let's see what's inside here. Oh yeah, that's definitely 1/24 scale. That thing's big. All right, so let's start by looking for any. So there's your body, obviously. The main portion. See if we can find any evidence. Let's be private investigators of this model kit. That thing is really thin. Very flimsy. Woo, man, that was super thin. Doesn't look bad, just thin. Got the nice Bugatti floor mat in there. Yeah, that thing's pretty good size. I don't see anything. I see a number. It says 57 right there, but that's got nothing to do with that. Model kit looks nice. Looks nice. engine sides. I really wasn't going to do it like an unboxing. I just wanted to see if we could find some sort of evidence. Oh, okay, those numbers are the actual part number. Instead of having it on the tree, it's actually got on the part. Pretty cool. So right off, I'm not seeing the Gunsy Sangyo type of little tabs that are on the trees. I don't see that. So this really might be an old Lindberg kit that was 1/24 scale. Or maybe it was just, like I say, misprinted. Not really 1/24 scale. This thing looks nice. I'm going to build this. It does. It looks really cool. The chassis has got some brake cables and levers and stuff like that. Super clean. Super duper clean parts. There's your Bugatti upside down grill. Now this tree has part numbers on, well, some of them. Like that's part number 83 on the tree and on the part. So I guess if they had the room, they would put it, well, yeah, like down in that, what is that, a valve cover? No, it's not a valve cover. Whatever that is, got a number down in it. All right. No stamping anywhere yet. Man, I'm telling you what, this thing is clean. As clean as you find. This would be a fun build. There's your door panels. Those look nice. Still no Lindberg, no Gunsy, no nothing. I don't think I'm going to find anything. Here's the tires. It's definitely 1/24 scale. I know they're big cars, but this is a bigger. You can tell this is, wow, those things are hard. Good grief, you barely can press them. They are, that's nice. US Royal. Never heard of it, but it's even got the size on it. 7x24 looks like. Been in this thing since 1987. Just hiding away. Some of the chrome is starting to turn a little gold. I don't know if you can tell right in this area. Starting to look a little gold. A lot of little chrome parts. Carburetors. I guess it was carburetors. This thing may have been fuel injected. Chrome looks nice. Except for like your windshield. Look where they got that thing attached. Why did they not attach it to the bottom rather than the top? So, you know, big honking piece of sprue hooked to it right there. And the bags aren't like sealed, they're just kind of open, but that's okay. There's your must be valve cover. Bugatti valve cover. Fancy chrome firewall. I guess it would be chrome. Bumper. Fender steps between your fenders right here. And those, what are those, like brake drums? I think those are supposed to be maybe brake drums, or maybe that's the wheel. Let's see. I don't know. No, that's the wheels. That's the lugs right there. And then these are hubcaps. Okay, let's see. Well, cool. Yeah, nothing. Oh, there is a tab right there. Okay, so what I was talking about, like the Gunsies, they'd have like Gunsy Sangyo printed on those tabs. But there's nothing on here. Nothing at all. There's the glass. Just such small pieces. And I don't think the instruction, well, why is there two? I'd say probably Lindberg from way back. These instructions, if you'll just look at how they appear, they look 1960s era of how the pictures were taken. A lot of monogram was like that. It was an actual picture, and they had some things pointing and some reading. So I guess this probably is an actual Lindberg kit. Yeah, much more reading. You can tell these are the old style instructions now. I think this may be just something to tell you about it. Well, this is some other instructions. I don't know. Interesting. They have it in German and they have it in Spanish. So, I guess Gunzy probably then borrowed from Lindberg and boxed their own. I don't know, but I'm just assuming that because the box art is exactly the same. So somebody was talking for sure. Yeah, this thing is ginormous. Where's that go? That should fit on there somehow or another. I don't know. I have to look at that. That doesn't seem to. Am I putting it on upside down? That doesn't seem to. Oh, there we go. Right there. Okay, that's better. Okay. All right, simple. Not really a kit review. Just wanted to find that out. Thought, well, man, I'll find something out really interesting and be able to show it with everybody. It was a fail. Anyway, it's going to be a cool kit. I'm going to build it. So, you guys watch out for that video of the 31 Bugatti Royale Victoria. And I did notice some things on the box art. I like looking at box art pictures. Like on those roll things here, I know they used to would turn that, it would roll the top, but you can see where they clipped it off of the tree right there in front of my fingers, one spot. Right there's another one. So stuff like that, I'm like, really guys, y'all left that? Couldn't even take a little chrome paint and touch it up. But this was back in 1986. Don't know what kind of chrome paints they had, but cool looking engine. Very cool. Bugatti, right hand drive. Man, that thing's long. Looks like Miss DeVille. What was her name off of the Dalmatian movie? You know, she drove one of those big long cars like that. That kind of reminds me of that. Was her name DeVille? I think it was. But anyway, cool. All right, guys. Anyway, hey, sorry for the boring video. Tried. I did. I thought I got something here. But let me know if you got any information on this kit that might be interesting, but I'm pretty sure it's a Lindberg that got borrowed by Revell and then borrowed by Gunzy, probably. But anyway, all right, hey, I'm done. Don't forget to go check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description of the video, the Facebook group, and the Patreon page. If you're interested in being a member of the Patreon, have your name on that banner that starts the videos, go join Patreon. It's all linked in the description of my videos, and join up and have a good time. Anyway, guys, let me know if you got any information on this in the comments.